Hello everyone, welcome to Algorithmic Finance. This is Emre Çayır. I have been teaching you how to trade automatic way with using Metatrader5 platform and creating our own algorithmic system. So we started from the basics. So last previous videos that we learned on init function and we write our first code. But this videos, so we will just learn a couple of more function and we will increase our algorithmic trading system knowledge. If you haven't watched previous videos, so I would highly recommend you to watch that before, then you should move on to this one. So in this video that we will learn on Deinit function, one of the main function that it comes automatically. So when we create a template expert, we will be using it when we were creating our own expert advisor. So let's move on to my computer and start coding. Hello again. So let's move on my computer. So here is that you see IDE button, or you can use F4 to go meta editor window. So now I will create new expert advisor on Deinit will be the name of this. And I didn't mark any of these, and I had template expert advisor again. As you see that we covered on init function previous class. So this was the function that will run once when we just started our expert advisor, when we attached our expert advisor to the chart. On Deinit is exactly opposite of it. So when we run expert advisor, on init function will run. And when we remove expert advisor, on Deinit function will run once. So let's do a little example. Alert. Expert removed. I compiled. Also I put on alert expert run, and on it and on Deinit expert remove. So let's see how it will work. As you see on Deinit function, I will scroll on EURUSD 1 hour chart. I don't mark any of these. And when I run, so as you see expert run, so we just get this alert. So I go and click right, and expert list that we see on Deinit expert advisors is running EURUSD 1 hour. When I click remove, as you see we get the alert of expert remove because on Deinit function run. So let's see a couple of more example. I will remove this. So when I remove expert, I will get an alert. I will put symbol. So this is the function. It will give us the name of symbol. This is, expert is attached. So this function will return us the name of products, name of symbol. So and divide expert removed. I put comma, and with quotes I put this. I get alert. So we can combine so different variables, so different names and different sentences inside of alert, as I just did, and compile. I run on init, and as you see that I didn't put anything on init function, that it just did no effect. And when I remove, yes, EURUSD expert is removed. As you see, this EURUSD will just expert advisor find out that which symbol that we were working on. That's why it put EURUSD. So if I just go put another symbol, and I will just put little space here. Okay, view market watch, and I put here USD Japanese yen, and I run our own Deinit from expert advisor. As we get no effect. When I remove, as you see that system find out that expert is working USD Japanese yen pairs. And also we will learn also period to period. As you see, this period function will give us expert advisor running in which period. On Deinit function I run. I scroll and drop on chart. When I remove, as you see, it's working in 1 minute chart. So if I go 5 minutes, so it will become 5, and it has different specific number for it. Also we learned this period. So we use this period. So when we create an expert advisor and we want to run the same expert advisor for the same sample but with different parameters. I am running expert advisor. It's open on close positions up to 5 minutes chart. The same expert advisor, but it's running 15 minutes chart. So both is working and they will not affect each other. So to be able to separate them, we usually use period function. With this period, we find out this one is working for 5 minutes chart and another expert advisor is running in 15 minute chart. Even though they both open the same position like Euro USD one not long or short, with this period function that we can separate so these two different with two expert advisor. So in this class we also covered on Deinit main function. After that we covered on init function. In next class that we will be learning and making lots of examples on think function. On think function is one of the most important. So I can say, so we will write our codes, maybe 99% of them. So we will be working on think function. See you at the next class. Bye bye.